Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome salad with a lot of ingredients and super easy to make. Very tasteful and super fast salad recipe. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's cut some cucumbers. I'm cutting them into cubes or stripes. Now let's cut a red bell pepper. First in stripes and then into slices. Now I'm using 350 grams of chicken that I previously boiled and cutting them, and green onions. In a bowl, add 3 eggs or 4 if you want more, 50 milliliters of milk and some salt and pepper, and mix it all together. Now let's make an omelette. Fry it both sides a few minutes. After that, let it sit and cut slices or stripes. Now let's prepare the salad. First, the chicken breast. After, the omelette. Next, the red bell pepper. Next, the cucumbers. And after, sweet corn. I'm using only 1 can. Between that and all the ingredients, I'm adding the green onions. Now let's prepare the sauce. 5 tablespoons of yogurt with 2 garlic cloves. Add some salt and pepper. And let's mix it together and add it into the salad. Now you can serve it like this or mix it all together. And this is the recipe. It looks and tastes amazing, and it's super easy to make and very tasty. If you like this recipe, subscribe to my channel to see more, and thank you for watching.